Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef jollof rice. We'll walk through each step to create a truly delicious and satisfying meal. This easy guide will help you master a classic West African dish, perfect for any occasion. Get ready to learn about the key ingredients and simple cooking techniques that bring this flavorful rice to life. It's a wonderful one-pot experience. To begin, you'll need about 1 pound of stewing beef, cut into 1-inch chunks. For the rice, 3 cups of parboiled long-grain rice works wonderfully. For the sauce, prepare 3 medium tomatoes, 1 red bell pepper, and 2 medium onions. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, and 2 teaspoons of dried thyme. Finally, have some cooking oil, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 3 cups of beef stock ready. Let's build that incredible flavor base. First, blend your tomatoes, red bell pepper, and 1 onion with about 1½ cups of stock until smooth. Next, season your beef with 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of thyme, salt, and pepper. Brown the beef in a large pot for about 7 minutes, then set it aside. In the same pot, sauté the remaining sliced onion, garlic, tomato paste, and the rest of your spices for 2 minutes. Finally, add the blended tomato mixture and the browned beef, simmering for 15 minutes. Now for the star of the show, the rice. Add 3 cups of rinsed parboiled rice to your simmering beef and sauce, stirring well to coat every grain. Pour in enough beef stock to just cover the rice. Cover the pot tightly with a double layer of foil or parchment paper, then secure with a lid. Cook on low heat for about 30 minutes, allowing the steam to perfectly cook the rice. Gently stir, then serve your delicious beef jollof rice hot and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.